This is my apartment in Madrid. This is the front entrance. And over here is the living room. Pretty nice space. And the dining room. And over here we have the little patio where we hang the laundry. There's not much of a view. And over here is the kitchen. We usually eat dinner over here at these bar stools. Got the kitchen, little pantry. Back here is where all the rooms are. This is the parents' room. And through this hallway is my bathroom. Pretty much have it all to myself, which is good. And then we have one bedroom here, and the kids' bedroom. And then this is my room. So I've got a lot of shelf space. And can't really see much except for the street and other apartments out of my window. But anyway, that is the house.